Hi, Porsha. How you doing? All right, I've got your work up here. These are outstanding, really, really fantastic jobs. So, of course, we're looking for what? We're looking for emphasis and contrast, right? And I think that you've got a really, really good handle on both. You are showing excellent understanding of organizing information in a way that the viewer is able to look at it and decipher what is the most important thing and work their way down in order of importance. You've also categorically um, grouped your information in a way that makes a lot of sense. In other words, you don't have Gmail grouped with the name of the company, right? So I know that's an extreme example, but I'm just really impressed. I think you're really paying attention in class, and this makes a lot of sense. Now let's go through each one. Now you've added the images, which is just a wonderful added engagement here. Added this little color bar on the side. I don't think this color bar is harmonious. I would pick a color out of this group, this blue right here, and use that for the color bar. Also, the first two are center alignment, right? What do we talk about center alignment? Center alignment is not always the most engaging way to activate negative space with any with any given composition. So center alignment is very, very safe, and it appears to be very safe. There's not a whole lot of visual engagement associated with center alignment, as we can clearly see here. Look at this gorgeous negative space right here. Just beautiful. The reason center alignment, specifically typography, doesn't necessarily work in terms of activating negative spaces because it creates symmetry. Okay, and we know in graphic design, symmetry is not always, if ever, the most interesting thing. Think about rule of thirds, for example. So there's nothing wrong with center alignment. It's not bad. Like you're going to get a bad grade for center aligning the type, but in a lot of cases, that might be the case because center alignment should not be used in extended areas of body copy. So keep that in mind. So again, really great setup. You've got the name, the tagline associated with the name, completely separate. You've got the telephone number, which is a little bit different than the website and the I'm sorry, the email. So they're presented differently. That's fantastic. Over here, we could actually create another subgroup here. Since 123 Main Street, Providence, Rhode Island is the mailing address, and the phone and the fax are other resources for contact information, you could feasibly separate the mailing address from the other contact information. Just a little bit of separation there, and that would actually even create a little more a visual hierarchy. I think this is a great example. This is just beautiful. Everything here, as far as the contact information, is in this color here, which delineates it from the title and the tagline. The tagline is the same color, so you've got some nice color harmony in here. You got this tagline down here, Captain Tony Bennett, Fisherman's Charter, and then come sail with us with the tagline, the logo over here with the graphic up top. Beautiful work. Nice left alignment, beautiful right rags, really nice engagement of negative space. So I'm really impressed. Now, one thing I would mention is you've got these kind of dashed lines around where you've placed the images. I do not recommend that. I would not even put a border around there. I would just have them integrate with the actual background itself. So again, fantastic job. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. But just outstanding work. Thank you very much.